Here are our machine vision lenses produced. This is the production facility, and we produce more than 300,000 lenses per year. On average, of each machine vision lens we have 500 pieces on stock, and this is an example of machine here that are polishing the lenses to give them the spherical shape they need to have. A machine vision lens is constructed from glass elements and a metal housing. The first step in producing a machine vision lens is to cut the glass elements. The next step is polishing the glass elements. The lens elements will then be cleaned. Behind us are the coating machines to bring an IR coating on the lens or an IR cut coating on the lens. In total we have more than 10 automated coating machines. The glass elements are mounted into a metal shell, making them ready to fit in the final lens housing. These machines assemble the lens elements into the lens housing. The final step is for the quality department to check the lenses using these machines. The final result is a machine vision lens that meets our quality standards and offers an excellent price-performance ratio. Visit our website to check out our standard lenses. If you need support or a custom lens, please contact us. We can develop affordable custom lenses at low volumes for you.